There is no standard smart city. There is not a unique model that could be replicated everywhere. Indeed, each city is different and it requires a specific approach. Nevertheless, at the Smart City Institute, we propose a 4-steps methodology to organize smart city dynamics on your territory. First, make sure you have the necessary prerequisites. Second, you can start planning your strategy. Third, implement it. And finally, evaluate it.
Before you start, the first step is to make sure that your municipality has the following 5 prerequisites. Political will. Local authorities have the power to mobilize and coordinate resources. Whether the initiatives come from the private sector, civil society, or the municipality itself, they will need a long-term political support. Impulse and political commitment are 2 essential ingredients of the process. After the political will, you need to make sure you have a strong leadership. In most cases, the leader is a visionary with some decision-making power within the administration. He recognizes the usefulness of the digital technology and its ability to provide solutions to urban problems and citizens' needs. The role of the leader is to inspire but also to raise awareness among the actors concerned. Then, make sure you have a cross-functional team. Its role is to support the leader in implementing the strategy and to ensure that the dynamics evolve quickly and sustainably. When these first 3 prerequisites are met, check that all stakeholders share the same vision. This is the key to a realistic and ambitious strategy. To define this common strategic vision, base yourself on the identity and projects of your municipality. One last important element: open up to the outside world and also involve your citizens. To ensure that projects meet real needs, a smart city requires the active participation of all stakeholders: public authorities, companies, universities, and citizens. Several studies have shown that when the citizen is considered as a key partner, better results are achieved. With reference to the ladder of participation created in 1969 by Sherry Ornstein, the inclusion of citizens generally implies a transitional phase. This is the phase of symbolic cooperation. In the end, the citizen must be involved in the process of creating and determining the strategy.